Although some may think the purchasing module is a component of the inventory management, in reality, the purchasing module can serve more complex processes. We can all agree that a manufacturer would use this functionality differently than a wholesaler or a retailer. For a manufacturer, ordering raw materials or forecasting raw materials based on job orders would be the primary focus. For a wholesaler, it would be vital to be able to convert sales orders into purchase orders. Let's dive into details. The simple use of the purchasing functionality is to replenish the stock levels. You can do that by simply creating a new purchase order manually. First, you select the vendor, and after saving the purchase order header, you can start adding the items or components you need to order. You can manually find a SKU by typing, or scanning the barcode would do the job too if you are using tags. The Add Item button is the third option for doing the same action. By editing, we can specify more details such as the quantity, price, or other attributes we wish to specify. This module supports multiple currencies as well. Once you finish adding the items, you can print the purchase order or simply use the emailing option. The purchase order is already attached to this email. Let's change the status to sent, thus closing the purchase order on your end. Once we receive the required items, we can start the receiving process. That can be done from the purchase order screen, but you can also use the receiving functionality if you would like to receive multiple purchase orders from the same vendor at the same time. The restock items purchasing method could be equally useful for all types of jewelry businesses. Manufacturers can use this to maintain a minimum level of raw materials, while wholesalers or retailers can make sure they never run out of the best-selling items. In order to use this functionality, we have to define on a group or item level what our minimum stock levels should be. We go to Item Types, Risk Info tab, and find the setting. We can set the minimum and maximum stock level, plus the reorder quantity. And we're all done, the system will start monitoring the stock levels. To find out what items are below the set minimum quantity, we must go to Purchasing and the Restock Items tab. Here we can use the items below minimum quantity filter to get this list. By placing the purchase order from here, the system will create a purchase order with the previously set reorder quantity. In an ideal world, manufacturers can use the just-in-time inventory strategy. This is a management strategy that aligns raw material orders from suppliers directly with production schedules. This ordering tool allows you to do the same. By selecting the job orders in progress, you pick the items or order components you need to order. It's easy as pie. Companies could create sales orders for orders that are coming in from different sources. Salespeople can enter orders while attending a trade show, visiting retail stores, or in some cases, online orders are also registered in PIRO Fusion as sales orders. If the items on sales orders are available on stock, then you can create the invoice and finalize the order, but there will be cases when you need to order those items from your suppliers. The available options will allow you to create purchase orders for the styles themselves or create separate purchase orders for the style components. For example, you can create two separate purchase orders, one for the stones and another for the mounting. This was a quick introduction to PIRO Fusion's purchasing functionality. We look forward to doing a more complete demonstration if you schedule a demo. Thank you.